I'm going to share my strategy. Um, I'm going to go to share screen, and I'm going to share with you guys a s'more page that I made that describes my strategy. It's called the Learning Blog.
Cool, I see it.
You see it? Great. Okay, so at Lebanon, Jeff and I do a huge argumentative writing project, which one of my other summer courses is inquiry-based learning. So I'm kind of overlapping these two things for both of these classes. So my idea to get students to be more self-reflective as they go through the argumentative essay project is to have them keep a blog while they're going through the writing process. So they would use Blogger, and there are a series of questions that they would have to make a blog post about based on what we learned that day. So here I'm looking at the different questions. So how is an introductory paragraph organized in argumentative writing? So that would be one blog post that the students would make, and then so on. So they're all questions that really require the kids to reflect on the research and writing process. So I did make a sample. Let's see if I can get that up. Yeah, so I made a sample post just really briefly of what I would be expecting students to do. So here in that third paragraph, I had my sample students say, we learned how to set up an intro paragraph in a way that will draw readers in. And then the student would go on to describe how you do that. So not only are they doing the writing, they're also thinking about the writing process. So I created a rubric that I would use to score at the end of the unit. If I can pull that up. I might have to change to file share. Okay. I'm going to change I think I have to change my share settings here. Because are you guys still seeing my
your blog?
Yeah, okay.
This went black for me, but
yes.
All right, so I'm going to stop screen sharing for a second, and then I can show you the rubric. Application. Here we go. Okay, so here's the rubric then. It would be based on layout, content, whether or not they're learning the material, and because a blog is a public post, it would need to be grammatically correct, and the spelling would need to be correct. So that's pretty much my strategy. So do you think you have enough to go on to do the 3, 2, 1?